Hi traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel, and I especially welcome you to this video. Okay, we are going to be looking at the gold level indicator in this video. Now, if you are not aware, gold trading requires precision, and one of the best tools for making good trading decisions is the gold level indicator. Now, this indicator helps traders identify ideal buy and sell levels, take profit targets, and stop loss placements, okay? All in one simple system. So if you are looking for a way to trade gold efficiently on MT4, then this is the indicator for you. I'm just going to add the indicator to the chart right away. Okay, so you can see this is the gold level indicator. All right. So this indicator is specifically designed for gold trading and works across all time frames. It provides traders with pivot points, as you can see, and also buy and sell levels and multiple take profit targets. You can okay, let me just okay. I was checking if there was an option to change the color of this. You can see that there is a text saying to buy, right? I was checking to see if there was a way to change the color, right? So basically, um, the indicator identifies multiple take profit levels for you and lets you know, whether it's a possibly whether it's a possibly good time to buy or to sell. Doesn't mean that the indicator is perfect. It is not perfect. Okay, it also makes mistakes. All right, now the pivot point is actually the central reference level. Then the buy level signals a potential buying opportunity, right? And then the sell level signals when it's time to sell. Okay, let's see if we can. All right, seems like the indicator focuses on current price action. Okay, so when price reaches the levels highlighted by the indicator provides clear signals for entering and managing trades. Now, one of the standout features of the gold level indicator is its 6 different target levels for both buy and sell trades. All right, so we can see that we have the pivot level around here, right? Or rather the midpoint, and you can see multiple targets for a sell, multiple targets for a buy. Although the indicator is saying to buy right now, in this case also it was saying to buy, and you can see that eventually the price even surpassed the highest level given by the indicator. You can see this was actually the highest level and price surpassed it, and now the indicator is saying to buy again, and you can see that this is the highest level that the indicator is forecasting the price to reach. Okay, so this means that traders can choose the most suitable take profit level based on their trading style. So based on your trading style, you can choose where you want to take your profit. You don't necessarily have to, stay in the trade until the price hits the very last target. That is if the price gets there. All right. So as a scalper, you can target maybe the first buy target or the first sell target, maybe the first or the second, as a scalper. For a day trader, maybe you can just target the mid-range targets. Yeah, the mid-range, maybe like the third or fourth, the third or the fourth, as a as a day trader. Then for a swing trader, you can now aim for the higher levels, maybe like the fifth and the sixth for the buy and for the sell. Okay, depending on the direction that the indicator is predicting that the price will go, whether it's a buy or a sell. You can target the fifth or the sixth for a swing trader. All right. So now let us break down how to trade effectively using the gold level indicator. First of all, identify the pivot points. This acts as the central reference level. You can see that area in green, and there's a yellow line. I think there's a yellow line in between. Yes, you can look very closely. So first of all, you can identify the pivot points. All right. Once you identify the pivot points, then you wait for price to hit buy or sell level. All right. You wait for price to hit buy or sell level. When price, you can buy when price, um, you can buy when price reaches the buy level and sell when price reaches the sell level. Okay. So we can see that this signal probably came when price reached this buy level, but then eventually you can see that it seemed to have gotten to the sell level, right? Seem to have gotten to the sell level. So make sure you always pay attention to the prevailing trend direction. That's the reason why it's very important that you also combine market structure with the signals. So if you can see that the prevailing trend is a buy trend, then you focus on buy opportunities, but get confirmations first. Okay, don't just jump in because the indicator said you should buy or you should sell. Just make sure you get confirmations first. Okay, then once you have entered your trade, you can set your stop loss, you know, below recent lows for a buy or above recent highs for a sell. And then for your take profit target, you can select based on your trading style. If it's a sell trade, you can select any of the sell take profit levels. If it's a buy trade, you can select any of the buy take profit levels. Okay. So why should you use the gold level indicator for your gold trading strategy? Well, because of its gold specific analysis. Unlike generic indicators, this one is built for gold trading. And then it provides clear buy and sell signals. So no guesswork is involved. Just follow the levels. Well, what I'm going to recommend, you also get your confirmations right, okay? And the indicator is also adaptable to any trading style. It works for scalping, day trading, and swing trading, and it simplifies trade management. You can see that there are multiple target levels, which makes it easy to plan your trades. All right, so the gold level indicator is quite an effective tool for gold traders who want precision and clarity in their trades. Whether you are a short-term scalper or long-term swing trader, this indicator helps you identify good entry and exit points effortlessly. So if you're serious about trading gold, you can consider having this indicator in your trading toolkit, okay? If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more high-quality Forex trading content. Drop a comment below and let me know what is your favorite indicator for trading gold. Let us discuss. In the meantime, thank you for watching and I wish to see you in the next video. Happy trading.